And a developing story now. It is now up to the state Supreme Court to decide if Colorado needs to change how it pays for public education. 7 News reporter Amanda Cost in court for oral arguments that could reshape how our children are taught.
She's the face of the lawsuit that started when she was in middle school.
I didn't know that I wasn't receiving those opportunities at the very beginning.
Now a college student, Taylor Lobato, and the lawsuit challenging Colorado's public education system reached the state Supreme Court.
Not to represent myself, but to represent the students of Colorado everywhere. And for that cause, I have no choice but to be here.
Arguments inside centered on one question.
Has the legislature created a school finance system that furthers a thorough and uniform system of schools?
And what the trial court found is that the school finance scheme has never been funded in a way that has calculated or estimate the cost to provide a thorough and uniform system.
In its appeal, the state defended school funding.
The General Assembly appropriates more money, more of its discretionary spending to K through 12 education than any other state service combined.
40% of the state's budget goes to K through 12 public education. The other side says that's not enough, and there's no policy to ensure funds are distributed fairly to all schools.
I think the important decision for the court now is to just declare a broken system unconstitutional and let the legislature do its job.
It's not perfect, but the legislature is making progress.
Justice Gregory Hobbs weighed in.
They're setting all these requirements and then they're not backing it up with the irrational investment of funds to bring our young people where they ought to be, where we want them to be.
The plaintiffs have said they're not seeking a monetary amount, but they have estimated the state's education system is underfunded by $4 billion. Now, the appeal heard in just one day, but a decision from the state Supreme Court could take months. Reporting live, Amanda Cost, 7 News.